Alright guys, so I got home tonight and this was on the door. I'm waiting on a couple of things, so I'm not quite sure what it is. So this is going to be a surprise to me as it is to you. Although not that much, because I'm only waiting on a couple of things, so it can only be one of a couple of things. So what's come today? So straight away I now know what it is. It's not foam. So we have our new lock picking gun. And some more bits. So what have we got? It's very well packaged. It's extremely well packaged actually. We've got a tensioner, a new tensioning tool, which I sort of try and make myself out of windscreen wiper inserts. Another tensioning tool, very nice, angled, so this gives you a bit of room, and another tensioning tool. So that's quite good. A little fake credit card thing with some bits inside. So what have we got? Oh, it's quite a few. And they're only tiny. A single pick. Another tensioner. We're doing without tensioners. I've just noticed that this folds and comes right off. Little rake. Little city rake. And an half diamond. Also in the box, which is what I was primarily getting it all for. If I can work out how to rotate it, there you go. Is the cylinder, oh there's loads of bits in here, is the tubular locks, which is quite handy because I've got quite a few of these to open at work. One, and there's another two in there. Number one, and another one. What else is in here? Small bit of foam. Great. Can't do enough of that. Throw that straight in the bin. And there's some Allen keys and some spare fingers for the locks. So let's just open up this gun quickly. So inside the gun there was the fingers for it. Again, loads of packaging. And the gun itself. So we're going to have a little play with this as well. I haven't really used these much. I tend to do it more by feel, but we will certainly give this a go. And I'll probably do some videos with unlocking with all of these various tools that we received today. So thanks very much for watching. If you like any of the videos, please like, subscribe, comment. If you are subscribed, remember to check the little bell so you get notified of any new videos that I upload. All of your support is is great for me, and you know, the likes and the views and the comments, you know, it makes me want to carry on and do it. So thank you very much for spending your time watching my videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Be good.